I'm sure that Little Big Planet will prove that people do not only passively receive content, but actively create content, upload and share with friends or the broader community. People will interactively communicate with each other much more than before. For this reason, I'm pleased to announce that later this year, we will be launching a wireless keypad for PS3 to meet the increasing demand for this ease of interaction. Thanks to rechargeable and Bluetooth technology, the keypad is very compact, easy to use, and attachable to 6-axis and DualShock controllers. Sorry? Like that. And it comes off just as easily. We will be releasing 8 versions of the keypad in the PAL markets to support the various languages needed for the keyboards. In addition, the keypad also includes touchpad mode that enables mouse input. This also enhances the internet capability of the PS3 browser. It could even be used as a new interface for game development in the future. This will make certain services such as Home far more accessible. A very useful addition, I'm sure you'll agree, to the PlayStation 3 family.